Hi, this is James again, and today I'm bringing you another coffee review. I have actually started doing more coffee reviews, and today I'm bringing you 3 different selections. And what I am doing, just to kind of set the preface, is I am brewing each of these pods in a Keurig, and I have them at the same setting, the smallest cup. I like dark coffee. So just letting you know. So I'm going to be bringing you the review, and I'll be telling you about it. So thank you for watching. We'll be right back, and we will go through each of the 3 different coffees that we are reviewing. Thank you for watching this video. I am going to bring you either tips, helps, or something that I have found on the web in this video. So stay tuned and please subscribe. Also, I have some affiliate offers down below. Click those, and we appreciate all those that have supported us and are coming along with us. Stay tuned for the video. This is JJ Media. We'll be right back. All right, I am back. So today I'm reviewing the 3 different coffees I'm reviewing. In fact, you can see them over here on my left. I am reviewing the Green Mountain coffee. Here is the pod that I'm doing, and this is a dark roast. I'm reviewing the Starbucks caramel, and here is the pod. And then I'm also reviewing the Seattle's Best Post Alley. And right there is the pod. So, and like I said, I'm doing them in my Keurig right here. I'm going to be doing all 3 of them, and I will have them on the smallest setting, and I will do them all identical, and then we will taste them. So I'm going to go ahead and brew them, and we'll be right back with our coffee, and I will taste them. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. We are back, and I have the coffee brewed. I have the Green Mountain I'm getting ready to taste, and we'll go through each of these and give you our perspective. I want to remind you again that I do like dark coffee, dark roast, and that is what this is. The Green Mountain is the dark roast. That tastes like just the good type of dark roast I like. It's kind of like I like the rough. The only way I know to describe it is the rough, hard coffee. I like that. I definitely like the Green Mountain. That's my style that I like. Okay, that's the Green Mountain Dark Roast. Okay, next up, which may not be totally fair with the Starbucks, but this is the caramel, pod, the Starbucks. So, and it is, let's see, yeah, just a caramel flavored coffee. And I will do a disclaimer. I'm not huge on flavored coffees. I like just a dark, straight, black coffee. One thing, you can really smell the caramel aroma. You can taste it just a little bit. It does have a smoother feel to me. You know, the Starbucks seems to have the blend of a smoother how it goes down. So, I mean, it's fairly well. All right, the next is the Seattle's Best Post Alley. Seattle's Best Post Alley. Let me taste that again. This almost has, kind of reminds me of almost a burnt coffee. It's dark. I believe, yeah, it's dark roast. But it almost has a burnt sense to it. I'm not sure about that. I would drink it if I had to. I wouldn't. It's not my preference. So out of the three, I definitely like the green mountain. It has the taste, the rough, that rough taste. The Starbucks does go down smooth. It has a really smooth taste. Is the only way I know how to refer to it. And the Seattle Best Post Alley, it's okay if I have to drink coffee and there's nothing else. I would drink it, but out of the three, I really like the Green Mountain. It's my style, the dark roast, kind of the rough coffee. So, I am an affiliate of Amazon, so I will have affiliate links in the description if you desire to buy any of these. Also, I will have a link to the Keurig that I use if you want to purchase any. But thank you for watching this review. Please share it. Go below, connect to us on our social media, and be sure to watch our other coffee reviews that we will have showing up somewhere on this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.